Hi everyone, welcome back to Random Requirements. In this video we're going to show you how to uninstall Grammarly on your MacBook or Mac product. So what you've probably noticed is when you've closed or quit the program and then you go to your Finder, Applications, you go to move it to the bin, but then it says this. So what you need to do is you need to open up Grammarly, select Settings, scroll down, and then what you want to do is deselect Launcher Startup. So you'll see it's tick like this, untick it, close it down, quit, and then you want to restart your computer. So I'll show you about that when it comes back in, and then what you should be able to do is move it to bin. So I'll see you in the next part. Okay, so we've just come back, just restarted the computer. You'll see that this is not open. So what you could do is you come along to Finder, go down to Applications, right click, and then move to bin. There we go. And now you will slide this over to remove from dock as well. Right click, and then you empty bin. And you have deleted Grammarly from your MacBook. If you like this, give it a like. Cheers.